adore you. I'ma take another zone, get more so. Don't give a fuck what they say, it's just you and me. I'ma count up this cake, I got killers for pay.
This is your boy Full Throttle Josh. We're back here again. Now that we got the bike kind of running decent, I'm still gonna have to go in there and readjust the valves. We're gonna put LED blinkers on here. I got the Tusk hand guards with the blinkers, integrated tail light, soldering iron. Also got the flasher relay. I got 4 of these just to make my life easier. I'll include links to all this stuff down below. So first things first, I'm just gonna take the seat off and get everything off, and we'll start from there. Let's get the hand guards on. Got these opened up. See the little directions. That should be good enough on this side here. Oh, look at that. That came out perfect. Come on. She is catching. Alright. Bar pad's gonna have to get removed, whatever. I guess in the future there's going to be a fat bar conversion on this thing. So for me, I had to install these things backwards for it to work. It just wasn't lining up the way I wanted it to. Might have to fucking cut this in the end here. Yeah, that should be fine. Alright, let's do the next side. There we go. That was worse than putting the piston in. Run it backwards. Don't really want that pinching my brake line. We finished putting the guards on. That kicked my ass more than I thought it would. Had to put these mounts on backwards. Still got to figure out what I'm gonna do with the bar, with the crossbar. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that yet, but they're on. So let's start the wiring. We're gonna start with these little connectors, make my life a little bit easier. Red goes to red, black to black, red to red. Let's just connect them, see what they does. All right, let's see what that does. Okay, there's that. Let's figure out the rear, what connects to what. Try that. There we go. Brown and white. Brown goes to green, white goes to red, black goes to black. Now we gotta figure out how the fuck we're gonna get the turn signals on here. These are both positives. This is left. This is right. Definitely gonna have to fucking extend these. And we're gonna have to run both of these to the ground. There goes nothing. Strip these. Okay, what's next? Solder this one. Okay, that's one. Alright guys, we got this soldered up. Next we're gonna do this side right here. Doing the next side right now. Now let's connect this blue one. We'll make blue positive. Okay. Alright guys, we got these all done. This is from the tail light harness. Took this here, stripped it. We're gonna have to wire left turn signal, right turn signal, ground, all to this ground. So we're gonna wire these grounds together, and then we'll try to connect it to that one. Now let's get this other one here. Here she blows. All right, so next let's get the flasher relay. Let's replace that. Next, we're gonna disconnect the relay. Orange is positive and LBL. What is that? Light blue is negative. Okay, so first let's just cut this. Next one. Disconnect the battery so I don't get fucking shocked. Let's go in here and find the fucking relay. No, I am not taking off the fucking airbox, bro. This is the relay. Let me see if I can get this switch out. Done. I'm gonna let those rock. Alright, next is put the battery back in and see what the fuck else I gotta do. The new relay wouldn't fit in the old spot, so I basically switched the fuse box in the relay. This way you don't have to tap anything or drill anything. Boom, and there's the fuse box. And they're both snug in there, so these things ain't going nowhere. There's that, yep. That, this. That. And we just gotta connect these. See what's going where. That for now. And that for now. Nothing's touching each other. I don't want to short anything out. Okay. All four are blinking. Cool. That's what I wanted, dude. Alright, let's undo the fucking turn signal indicator bulb. Yep. Oh. Yes. So we got that one blinking. Yes. Alright guys, we're gonna keep it like this. That's bitchin'. Alright, let's button her up and we'll get a review once everything's done. Just a little recap of what I did. I got everything all nice and tucked away before I put it back on the bike. So what I did was, those connectors that I had before that you saw me strip that plug into the tail light, I extended them by basically just cutting them at the end, stripping them and adding longer wire, because you need to extend them because they're not going to reach for the tail light. For the front turn signals, they're perfect, but for the tail light, they're too short. So I had to strip them both, extend them. On the harness, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 wires on the tail light. The brown and yellow are the turn signals. That's what I got these for. Then the black is the ground, and the red wire is for the brake lights. That's attached to this. And so is the green wire. That's for the running lights. You could go back in the video and see exactly where I connected everything, but for the turn signals, you're gonna have to wire it all to the ground right there. Then after you do all that, you could wire in a diode. I didn't want to waste my time. I spent hours researching online, and the easiest method is just unscrewing the bulb for the turn signal indicator. After you get everything figured out, you unscrew that, you put in the relay. I'll include everything down below in links. So there you have it. DR200 LED turn signals installed front and rear. Let's just look at it one more time because it amazes me still that I did this. Boom. Oh yeah. Look at that. I don't know about these two little spikes. Hopefully I don't loop it. It doesn't stab me in the back. If you stuck around this long, I appreciate it. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, share. We'll see what's next for this DR200, man. I love this little bike. And hopefully we can start doing the DRZ400 build soon. Well, until next time, guys. Peace. Doses.